All right, I wanted to talk a little bit about the Snapshot Desktop. It's very easy to use. It's just a simple desktop metaphor, but it shows you your developer projects and how they're connected logically and through metadata to sandboxes and logically and through metadata onto production orgs. And you can build up this desktop any way that you want. And to do that, you can select items over here and just drop them where you want them. And then get a deployment arrow and you can connect them. So it's really pretty simple. And you can also create folders and bring them anywhere that you want and double click a folder and it opens up, and now you can bring snapshots in and put them into your folders as well. So this might be the type of thing you want to do for setting up a certain project or certain reports or something like that. So it lets you kind of visually isolate those things. The other thing I wanted to point out is that we've got some options here under the View menu. You can show the grid for this. These items are all snapping to the grid. If you turn that off, you can just move them freeform anywhere you want. We've also got the ability to clean up the desktop, which moves them back to the grid points, and also to lock changes. So this is very useful. Now you can't drag any of this stuff. So that's very helpful. Okay, and the other thing is, if you want to get rid of one of these items, you can right-click it and delete it. Just like that. And also, if you want to get started with one of these items, if you double-click a repository, it brings up the Update Project interface. If you double-click a snapshot, it brings up the Take a Snapshot interface. If you double-click a deployment arrow, it brings up the Deploy Metadata interface. So that's it for the desktop. It's a simple, easy-to-use way to logically organize all of your different items for metadata deployments.